Silicon Valley is currently pouring hundreds of millions of dollars into making death optional by the year 2030. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently invested $180 million into a startup focused on adding 10 healthy years to the human lifespan. Jeff Bezos also committed $3 billion to Altos Labs, a company dedicated to reprogramming cells back to a state of youth. The race to radically extend how long we live is actively funded and fully underway. It is driven by a shift in how we view the body. Aging is being treated as a specific, modifiable condition at the cellular level. To understand how this works, we look at the body's natural anti-aging switch. When you fast, nutrient deprivation suppresses a cellular growth pathway called mTOR. Deactivating mTOR opens the AMPK path, which initiates a deep cellular recycling process known as autophagy. During autophagy, cells consume their own debris, digesting misfolded proteins and clearing out zombie cells that drive inflammation and disease. When this cellular maintenance fails, the buildup causes physical decay. In the spine, for example, uncleared cellular damage is a primary driver of intervertebral disc degeneration. But natural fasting is a dangerous double-edged sword. While brief periods of deprivation trigger cleanup, extended starvation can actually accelerate aging and tissue loss. Because individual biological clocks vary wildly, finding a safe fasting in a pill requires testing millions of genetic variables to find the exact compounds that trigger the switch without the side effects. Regulating autophagy safely is a mathematical challenge. The human biological landscape is simply too vast for researchers in a traditional lab setting to solve manually. Over the last few decades, molecular research has generated mountains of clinical samples. However, because these studies were usually focused on specific diseases, the data was never analyzed for its impact on aging. To rescue the stagnant data, researchers developed an AI program called ClockBase Agent. This AI independently analyzed over 2 million molecular samples, measuring them against 40 separate aging clocks. The system autonomously generated hypotheses and verified them against both raw data and existing literature, resolving the massive data funnel into a prioritized list of scored anti-aging interventions. By acting as an automated super researcher, AI transformed decades of missed opportunities into a generating engine for new longevity treatments. The AI's first major output was the identification of hundreds of overlooked compounds that effectively mimic the biological benefits of fasting. It highlighted a drug called Ouabain, a compound entirely missed by humans, which has since been proven to prevent age-related physical frailty in old mice. This technology is also designing Senolytics to kill off aged cells, compressing a research timeline that usually takes decades into a matter of months. Beyond drug discovery, AI is optimizing human health through precision nutrition, analyzing multi-omics data that includes DNA, gut microbiomes, and real-time inputs from wearable tech. By processing this individual biological data, modern models can now predict a person's actual biological age with 97% accuracy. By matching specific fasting protocols to an individual's unique profile, AI removes the guesswork from metabolic optimization. In traditional medicine, we test single drugs over decades to solve individual problems, but we are entering a period where we can address the cellular mechanics of aging itself. AI allows for the continuous simultaneous scanning of the entire published biological landscape, mapping connections that were previously invisible to human analysis. This chart tracks longevity escape velocity. It's the point where science extends life expectancy faster than the human body ages, adding more than 1 year of life for every year you survive. Reaching this threshold requires treating cellular aging as a modifiable core issue. At the center of this transition is the body's autophagy switch, now optimized by computational power. AI has turned the search for longevity into a precise, automated process. The central challenge is no longer just understanding the mechanics of aging, but how rapidly these computational discoveries can be validated for human use.